Hi, everyone. My name is Dennis McGrath, and I am a fifth grade teacher with the Brewer School Department. I am currently entering into my 12th year as a teacher, all in fifth grade with Brewer. And I also, on top of my teaching degree, have a business degree as well as my ed leadership certificate. And my hope is throughout the course of uh, this summer institute is to a get to know all of you. I always feel as though talking with other teachers and other professionals helps me get better, and as well as learning some new ideas to use in the classroom as well, to kind of, especially with the potential of some home learning or distance learning stuff going on over the next school year. So live in Brewer with my wife of nearly 17 years and my 9-year-old daughter. I also, on top of teaching, coach the A baseball team at BCS, and I've been doing that for seven years now, I think. And something interesting about me, just recently uh, received my license to ride a motorcycle. So it's been an interesting summer to say the least. I look forward to getting to talk to all of you, and take care.